What up, YouTube? It's Cap City Land, and today I'm gonna give you a video on my 2001 Ford Excursion, aka Project X, aka the Beastly Beauty. All right, it's a 2001 Excursion V10, 6.8 V10 to be exact, 4x4, and got it for a really good price. Yes, it is basically a base model, but I want to kind of build it up to how I want it. I did look at a bunch of Eddie Bauers and Limiteds, and you know the 7.3s and the 6.0 diesels, the Power Stroke diesels, but I have I found this one, and this one was just, you know, the right price for my budget and the right price to be able to, you know, to do some things with, to make it my own personal vehicle. You know, it is my personal vehicle, but I want it to be mine. Like, when you put it up against a crowd of other Excursions, it's mine, you know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I got this one. And here, matter of fact, if we can take a look at the interior. Check this out. See, give y'all a look at a gander in the interior. That's one thing I do love about the Ford stuff, is that combination thing. I just think it's so cool for some reason, but you know, some people don't. But yeah, it's different. You know, I wanted something different. You know, here I'm from Ohio, so you get a bunch of like Suburbans and Tahoes and things of that sort, and I wanted to kind of stand out. You know, I feel like that's that's who I am. Like, I like to stand out. I like to do different things and look different, and so I chose different and got an Excursion. This is not usually the first choice of some people. A lot of people, you know, stay away from them because they're so, you know, ignorantly big and obnoxiously big, whatever you may want to say about them. Excuse the mess. I got my work stuff back here, but excuse me. But I love the bigger trucks. I love the Excursions. Always had a thing for them since, you know, since they first came out. But here, we're gonna pop the hood for you, let you get a gander at this big old V10. Uh-oh, I'm fumbling. Gotta get it open. Excuse me. All right, it's dirty, but you know, I'm getting there. I'm getting things together. Right now, I'm in the middle of getting the bottom cleaned up, and I'm gonna undercoat the bottom. These things kind of have an issue with rust on the bottom and the rocker panels, so I want to kind of get that cleaned up first. That's the first thing I want to do before I dive into anything else on it, is get that bottom cleaned up. You know, you got to start from the bottom and, you know, ground up, build a foundation. So that's what I want to do. And you know, tires coming soon. You know, got a lot of things planned for it, so stay tuned, YouTube. And you know, it's gonna be great. But yeah, stay tuned, and we'll have more to show. Thanks.